takes a lot out of you. And like, if you don't love what you do, then definitely ain't worth it. That's for sure. Luckily, I love playing in the dirt, living that dirt life. It works TV. Oh, the mess I get myself in. This is gonna be a tough job. Hauling and fill to get a road built down here. Gonna build a retaining wall in here. And yeah, have all the fun. Let's go. Like, subscribe, please. What's up, guys? Welcome back. Dirtworks TV. Day number 2 on the lakeside retaining wall. Weather is not cooperating today. What a mess. A little bit rainy out here. So this is how far we got. Tight quarters in here. So we're digging all this out. We're gonna go boom, straight wall, and then a wall up there. Probably a patio, and then on to the next one. So I haven't been making a lot of videos lately. Been kind of burnt out. We're in our busy season right now, where we just got a million jobs going on. Everybody's pressing to want them done yesterday. It takes a lot out of you. And like, if you don't love what you do, then definitely ain't worth it. That's for sure. Luckily, I love playing in the dirt, living that dirt life. But yeah, we're gonna bust this out. So we're gonna continue removing that old retaining wall and then get everything graded up, start digging the base for the new one, and keep moving forward. Let's hop in the excavator and get to work. What's up, guys? Alright, so we got that old freaking wall out of there. Clean my lens off real quick. Much gooder. This thing was a disaster. The way they built this freaking wall, dude, I don't know why people try to DIY stuff sometimes. So this wall literally was just swerving all over the place. Like, you'll see pictures from the video, but like, dude, first of all, they put fabric straight up and down behind it. We live in Michigan. The frost like heaves, like, look at all that clay. And then mixed in a bunch of like stone everywhere, like just randomly, like drain tiles literally just going spiderweb throughout the whole thing. None of it even made sense. Like, I don't even understand. Like, here's still a little piece of this wall left. Like, look at this thing. What is going on here? The deck started moving. Like, look how swerved, like, doesn't even make sense. Like, and then they glued all the blocks together. Put this on this nasty clay. Hire a professional. What's up, guys? Welcome back to Dirtworks TV. Alright, we're back on the lake retaining wall. Those blocks are sweet. Love doing these. Pile of the old wall. There's our steps we got. 7 feet wide, baby. Those things are sweet. Grand entrance. So we're putting the tops on right now. For some reason our camera wasn't working for a bunch of footage when we were putting the rest of the wall in. But here's what we got so far. Got that one. Steps are gonna go here. Hopefully a new patio goes there. Still waiting to hear back from the customer. Coming at you. Let's go. We're gonna keep putting these on.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. Make some progress, I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared. I walk a straight path, not many can say that. I like to play fast, cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that. I've been doing fine, I'm not wasting any more time. I live for the fight and the climb, and I think that the pain that's deep inside is what defines. So I won't give up, I'm gonna make it to the top. I don't care what's in my way, I swear I'm never gonna stop. I could fall flat on my face and I swear I will get back up, cause I don't deserve a thing and the road ahead is tough. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top.
Yo, no, I ain't the type to give up. If I do something, man, I do it till I get what I want. I turn a business out of nothing into something I love. I got a poker face, but honestly, I'm not one to bluff. I flip a switch, never miss, man, I always stay up. Don't let them see you, bitch, always have a plan to stay tough. This life ahead of you ain't easy, it was built to be rough. But that's what makes a personality, is tragedy, bruh. So keep your head on your shoulders. Now we ain't out here moving rocks, we out here moving boulders. Now we ain't getting posterized, we out here making posters. And we ain't got nothing to hide, we move forward like soldiers. You better wake up for the pay stub, or you'll pay up. Don't make love to the game, bruh, fuck the game up. Change up, rearrange stuff to your greatness. Famous for the way up, play the game, bruh.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make